Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing your data and tools. That's why you back up and verify files first. Once done, connect the new SSD via solder USB or an NVMe adapter so you can clone without opening the case. Start your cloning software and select the source disk and the new drive as target. Make sure to enable sector by sector only if needed, because it copies everything, including unused space. Pause and confirm drive sizes and partitions before you hit clone. You power down and ground yourself to prevent damage, then remove the case panel and find the existing drive. 2. 5-inch or M. 2. Carefully unplug cables or unscrew the M. 2. Screw and extract the old SSD, then seat the new drive firmly, lining connectors and standoffs, because a misaligned SSD won't be detected. Once reassembled, boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new disk appears, set it as the first boot device, and ensure OSI mode is selected for best performance. You boot into the operating system and immediately check disk management to expand the clone partition or format any leftover space, since cloning can leave unallocated areas. Then install or update storage drivers, run a short benchmark, and review smart status to confirm drive health. This tells you if the migration improved speed. If you cannot boot, make sure BIOS boot order, SATA/NVMe mode, and cable seating are correct. If needed, revert to your backup or retry cloning with different options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.